Right now I'm laying down with the electric blanket. Penny's like right here between my knees, and I'm watching the server be a bitch. I think this isn't working because this is not a UEFI compatible OS, but I'm actually connected into the ILO on here, and I can actually see my boot order right now. And there's the flash drive we're trying to boot from. Alright, we just enabled Legacy BIOS. Let's see if I can reset the server. That's fucking badass! Cool, is there like a console where I can see what it's doing? Server might be in post. Oh, wow. Active health log. Swap ROM. Oh, I can put a more up-to-date BIOS in here, eh? I'd like... Yeah, because this backup looks like it's more up-to-date. Eh. What else do we have? System information, we're already here. Yeah. Come on, where's temperatures? Power management. Power meter, what, tell me the current I'm consuming? Advanced license? Do I have to pay money or something? Oh. Now that's fucking wild. Got a lot of temperature sensors here, and there's a fucking map of how they heat. These must be my power supplies, right? Oh, it says it over here. These gotta be the power supplies, if this is where I think it is. And there's 5 of them, but I have 4 power supplies, but maybe one's the actual module. So where the hell are the power supplies at? Come on, I know I saw power supply on here. I could have swore. Oh, there we go. Yup, okay. So, we got 18, 19, 17, 16. 20, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, those are the power supply. So using this utility, I swapped ROMs to the up-to-date version. I can fucking hear! I can fucking hear! Ah! Oh. That's still better, it's going back down. That's just under power and thermal calibration. Oh, yes! Now, I gotta do some research, because these are states I've never heard of. Alright, what's retention and non-retention? Does it mean it keeps information in the cache or something? We're gonna find out. Google it yourself, I'm not doing the Googling for you. So, I enabled the most power-saving C states, and it seems like there's no real drawback other than it causes small latencies when it switches to a higher clock, which I guess could be like, oh, setting pack. Oh! Are you? Yes! Oh! It's quiet! Yes! I don't even need this! Ah! This looks... Oh, okay. While using IP160, user gets message the product key is not supplied. I didn't get that far. If user tries to install Windows with the IP, it gets stuck on Windows splash screen. Yup. Windows logo does not proceed further. Yup. Cause. This is caused by the DL580 Gen 8. Is the first UEFI hardware-based Windows 2008 era 2 is not UEFI-based OS. Fix. In order to install the OS on server, the user needs to select the legacy boot mode under as the default BIOS mode for the server. But system freezes when I do that. Wah! Fuck you! Oh, it was working! Oh. So did it just... Oh. Fucking hell!